Ukrainian soldiers destroy Russian tanks in Kherson as 700,000 conscripts flee the war. A Russian tank is engufled in flames after a Ukrainian strike hit the vehicle. The video captured by the Ukrainian army shows an apparently unscathed tank isolated in the front line until a Ukrainian strike sets it on fire. The explosion leaves a large plume of smoke over the Kherson region where the attack happened. The strike was reportedly launched by a Ukrainian T-64BV MBT tank on a Russian T-72B3 tank during counterattack operations near the village of Novoalexandrivka in Kherson province, one of the 4 Ukrainian regions annexed by Putin. In his speech, the Russian president threatened to use of all Russia's means to protect the 4 regions, including Kherson. But a recent string of Ukrainian offensives in the regions show the Ukrainians' resolve to retake the Russian-controlled territories. Ukraine President Zelensky reported that 6 settlements were liberated in the Kherson district, while 61 were recaptured in the region's district of Berislav. In total, the Ukrainian military has liberated more than 926 square miles of territory in the south since the beginning of the full-scale war, President Zelensky said in his nightly address. Hundreds of thousands of Russian conscripts, mostly military-aged men, have fled the country to escape Putin's partial mobilization amid the swift Ukrainian counterattacks. Though the precise number is difficult to pinpoint, Forbes reported on October 4th as many as 700,000 draftees have left Russia, citing a Kremlin source. The Kremlin has since denied the media report, with spokesperson Dmitry Peskov claiming, "I don't have exact figures, but of course they are far from what's being claimed there." "I don't think those numbers should be taken seriously," he told reporters. According to Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu, 2/3 of the 300,000 men enlisted have been drafted so far. Russians have reportedly fled en masse for neighboring Kazakhstan, which shares the world's second longest land border with Russia. Russians can enter without a passport or a visa. The Kazakh Interior Minister reported that more than 200,000 Russians had entered since September 21st, while about 147,000 left in the same period. The Interior Ministry of Georgia, where Russians can also enter without a visa, said 68,887 Russians had arrived from September 21st to 29th. In another blow to Putin's mobilization order, reports and videos have emerged showing soldiers refusing to take up arms over the lack of resources and appalling war conditions on the front line. Up to 15,000 Russian troops could be forced to surrender as their defense lines are collapsing one by one, Ed Arnold, Royal United Services Institute research fellow, told Sky News. In a video posted on YouTube, the Ukrainian Defense Minister Oleksiy Reznikov has urged Russia's frontline troops to lay down their arms and promised life, safety, and justice to those who do.
Основний вогонь! Війна!
The United States has not seen any reason to adjust America's nuclear posture and hasn't seen indications from Russia that Moscow is preparing imminently to use nuclear weapons, the State Department clarified Friday. The president's comments reinforce how seriously the administration takes these threats, said Vedant Patel, principal deputy spokesperson at the State Department. This kind of irresponsible rhetoric is not something that should be coming from a leader of an armed nuclear state.
Vamos, Karen.
Stand by! Fire! There you go, bros. Fair fight, stand by! Hook up! Fire! Давай! Fire! Entry denied!
Entry delayed.
Got it! Fire! Fire! One, two, let's go!
Shot you, Speedy. Shot you, Speedy, verified.
Load it! Shot two!
Personal hotel verified.
Load it! Fire! Shot you, Speedy! Stand by! Fire!